Hi guys, today we are making an Italian pasta bake because I've got some friends coming over for dinner. I've got some tricolor rotini in a 13 by 9, and I've got a jar, this is a big jar, of meat flavored tomato sauce. A jar of, this is garlic, super cheesy Alfredo sauce, and that's gonna go right on top as well. To complete the Italian flag, we're going to add a jar of pesto. And then we're going to add some seasonings. We're going to start with some Italian seasoning right there. Some California onion powder. I guess it doesn't have to be California, but you know, onion powder. We're going to have some dehydrated garlic chips. That's going to go on top. And then we're going to be up in the garlic flavor by adding some garlic salt. And this is in place of like the regular salt. So far we haven't added any salt. So now we're going to be adding some black pepper. And then just to make it a little bit kickier, is that a word? I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. Just add just a little bit, don't go too crazy. Then we're going to be adding some stock. I have some vegetable stock that I still have left over, so that's what I'm using, but you can use any kind of stock you want for this. And then we're just going to be adding stock all the way up the middle and around. And then we're going to be kind of mushing this around. Halfway through with the mixing, I'm going to add some Italian meatballs. These things are humongous. Make sure that they are in the sauce. Once I got that done, we are going to add some 6 cheese Italian blend. Is it 6 cheeses? Yeah, 6 cheeses. And that's going to go right on top. Ooh, this casserole dish is pretty full, so I got to be careful. Because I like a good cheesy casserole. I'm going to add just another bag of the mozzarella. Dump it, and then just carefully spread it out. Okay, this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about, I don't know, 30 to 40 minutes. You know, stick a fork in it, make sure the pasta's cooked. Oh my God, y'all, look at that. So let's do a little taste test. I'm going to cut through what I'm starting to call a cheese bounce instead of cheese pull. Okay, so look at that. That right. Ooh, and a little bit of cheese pull there too. Yeah, definitely make this. I use the tricolor twisty pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you want. Your family's gonna love it.